Plus is still available in the standard range of 3x1 up to 3x5 in curved and straight formats. So let's take a closer look at some of the main features to the Quick Plus. So the frame itself is supplied with two different mag bars depending on where the actual mag bar is going to be used. So at the top and the bottom we have a mag bar which has a purple tip on one end and a flat grey section on the opposite end. The purple section is for the top and the bottom of the frame, and the grey section is for where it joins in the middle of the system. As I said, the Quick Plus is a fully magnetic pop-up system. So on the hanging device we have a floating magnet. So this is a three-part fixing method. So on the top here we have a hook which is going to hook over onto the top of the node on the pop-up system. Then the magnet will click into place, but as I said it's floating, so you've still got some adjustment side to side. And the second part here which protrudes, this will lock in behind the actual pop-up nose. So it's a three-part fixing method, very secure way of fixing your graphics. So when you're fitting your D ends, it's securely fixed into place, there's no risk of it pulling away, obviously falling down and damaging your graphics. Available in stock for the standard range of sizes from 3x1 to 3x5. Custom size is also available made to order. There's a huge range of accessories available with the Quick Plus, from complete shelving units to pop-up screen mounts, obviously lights, stabilising feet, and on your straight graphics, don't forget your rigidising bars to give you a nice, clean, straight graphic wall. Thanks for watching and see you soon.